Ready to become a master of saving without sacrificing your sanity? Grab a notepad and get ready to save big. We're about to talk saving strategies for a wallet-friendly lifestyle. You don't have to give up eating out to save money. You just need to know where to look for deals. Check out apps like Too Good To Go and Flash Food. They partner with local cafes, bakeries, and restaurants to sell perfectly good leftover food at huge discounts, sometimes up to 70% off. Imagine scoring a gourmet meal for the price of a fast food burger. You can also use Groupon and Restaurant.com for restaurant deals. And don't forget about loyalty apps like Starbucks Rewards and Panera's My Panera. They'll give you freebies and discounts just for being a loyal customer. Because nothing tastes better than a meal that comes with a side of savings. Let's talk about big expense you might not even think about, your utility bills. First up, switch to LED bulbs. They use up to 75% less energy than traditional ones and last way longer. Next, get a smart thermostat like Nest or Ecobee. These devices automatically adjust your heating and cooling when you're not home, saving you up to 10–15% a year on energy costs. Then tackle your water bill by installing low-flow shower heads and faucet aerators. This reduces water use without sacrificing pressure, cutting down on both water and energy bills. Also, reduce your water heater temperature to 120 degrees, hot enough for daily use but saving you from heating water unnecessarily. Lastly, unplug devices and appliances when they are not in use. Even when they are turned off, things like TVs, microwaves, and chargers draw power, and this is called phantom energy. Invest in power strips and flip the switch when you are done using multiple devices. And last tip, just tell your roommate to stop using shower for 45 minutes.
Because they know I'm the king of the cool chair.
Now, if you're serious about managing your money, you need a budgeting app. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, but without awkward small talk. Apps like You Need a Budget and Every Dollar automatically track your spending, categorize your expenses, and help you stick to a budget. So no more guessing where your money went at the end of the month. And here is the key: set up alerts for overspending. And track recurring bills so you never get hit with unexpected charges. Let me tell you, when it comes to shopping, you don't need to cut back, you just need to shop smart. First, always shop with a list. Whether it's groceries or clothes, going in with a plan helps you avoid impulse buys. Studies show that people who shop with a list save up to 23% more than people who don't. And yes, that snack aisle is a trap. Stay strong. And if you see something shiny but you don't know if you need it, use the 24-hour rule. Wait 24 hours before making the purchase. This cooling off period helps you evaluate if it's a want or a need. Next, buy in bulk for essentials like toilet paper, laundry detergent, or canned goods. Stores like Costco or Sam's Club offer great bulk deals, especially of non-perishables. You'll pay less per unit and save time by shopping less frequently. Next, sign up for store loyalty programs and cashback apps like Rakuten or Ibotta. These programs offer rewards, discounts, and cashbacks on purchases you're already making. Another great hack: use browser extension like Capital One Shopping. This tool automatically finds and applies coupon codes when you are shopping online, saving you from paying full price ever again. Finally, don't be afraid to buy secondhand. Apps like ThredUp, Poshmark, and even local thrift stores often have high-quality items at a fraction of the original cost. And hey, you'll have a great story when someone asks where you got your outfit. Oh, this? Just a little thrift store gem. Now, with a bit of strategy, you can even leverage credit cards to save money. First, choose credit cards with rewards that match your spending habits. Look for cards that offer cashback on groceries, gas, travel, depending on the area you spent the most. Cards like Chase Freedom or Citi Double Cash can help you earn back a percentage of your spending. Many credit cards offer generous bonuses when you spend a certain amount within the first few months. Just make sure you can meet the spending requirement without going overboard. Using credit cards wisely can really pay off. Just remember, if you start spending like a millionaire, you might end up with a bill that's richer than you are. Why stop at cooking when you can grow your own groceries? That's right, you can become a gardener and a chef all in one and save even more money. Start by planting herbs like basil or parsley. These are easy to grow indoors or on a small balcony, and they cost next to nothing compared to what you pay at store. And if you have more space, try growing veggies like tomatoes, peppers, or lettuce. Not only is gardening a relaxing hobby, but it also cuts down your grocery bill. Imagine picking fresh tomatoes for a salad without spending a dime. Combine your homegrown produce with some smart meal planning. Apps like Mealime and Yumly help you plan your meal based on what you have and offer simply healthy recipes. And if you're worried about your gardening skills, start with something simple, like mint. You practically have to try to kill it. And who says having fun has to cost a fortune? Start by exploring local events. Many communities offer free events like concerts, farmers markets, and even outdoor movies. Check out local event calendars, community boards, or apps like Eventbrite or Meetup to find free happenings in your area. You can also embrace free outdoor activities. Go for a hike, visit a local park, or have a picnic in a backyard. Activities like biking or jogging are not only cost-free, but also good for your health. Next, visit museums and galleries on their free admission days. Many cultural institutions offer days or times when their entry is free. Take advantage of library resources. Libraries are treasure troves for free entertainment, borrow books, movies, and even participate in free workshops and events. After that, host a game night or potluck dinner with your friends. Gather at someone's home, cook a dish to share, and enjoy an evening of board games or movies. It's a fun, low-cost way to spend time together without breaking the bank. And if you got tired of these activities, there is always people watching at the mall. It's free and endlessly entertaining. Knowing when and how to shop during the major sales events can save you a ton of money on the things you need and even the things you want. First, mark your calendar for big sales events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and end-of-season clearance sales. Retailers offer some of their deepest discounts during these times. So plan your shopping around these dates to get the best deals. Sign up for retailers' newsletters and follow your favorite stores on the social media. Retailers often share exclusive promotions, early access to sales, and special discounts with their subscribers. Compare prices across multiple retailers and websites before making a purchase. Tools like Google Shopping or ShopSavvy let you easily compare prices to ensure you're getting the best deal available. And lastly, don't forget about holiday sales and end-of-year clearances. Retailers are eager to clear out inventory so you can find significant discounts on everything from electronics to winter clothing. And now let's finish with the ultimate power move, negotiating. Whether you are buying a car, furniture, or just haggling at a flea market, don't be shy to ask for a better price. You can even call up your providers every 6 months and ask if they have any special discounts or promotions. You'll be surprised how often they will cut you a deal just to keep you. And don't forget, many retailers will price match if you find a better deal elsewhere. So before you buy that new gadget, check around and ask for a match. You'll slice those prices down like a pro. Now, if you have any other useful budgeting trick, drop it in the comments below. Remember, it's not about being cheap, it's about being smart with your money. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy saving!